organic gulay po. Done! Look at that! Sobrang laki. Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome to Maria Lesson Channel. Today's video ay mag-harvesting po tayo ng gulay sa aming backyard.
Good morning.
Good morning everyone! Good morning Sylvester! How are you?
Good.
You're good. So today, we're gonna harvest vegetable. What vegetable we're gonna
Silver
harvest?
to feed the chooks.
Silver bait to
An
feed our
eggplant.
chooks and eggplant. Napakadaming gulay na ma-harvest. Go, Bester. Maybe just in the bottom, darling. You don't have to drop it. Just there. There we go. Tingnan nyo, guys. Be careful with your hand. Oh, ganyan po sila kagutom pag gulay na. At simulan na po namin pag-harvest. Ang una po nating i-harvest, ang capsicum at chal. I-harvest lang po natin yung ready na talaga. So ito, kailangan pa yan lalaki. Kakasimula lang po nila mag-ano yung size. Where is the big one, Sylvester? Wow, ito yung malaki talaga. Very organic po ito. Go, Bester. Do you need scissor?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get it.
I think twins.
Okay, let's use that one. Okay, be careful with your hand. Good job. Oh, it's big. What is it?
It's bumpy at the bottom.
It's bumpy at the bottom. Tingnan niyo, napakalaki yung size.
It's little bit bumpy at the top.
Yan ang shape niya. So, there's another one.
It's bumpy too.
Wow, good job, Esther. Mom
Look,
is
it's
proud of
bumpy
you.
well.
That's okay, but it's very healthy. Look at that. We grow this one. Can you believe it? Thanks for looking after our garden, honey. It's so good. Is there's another big one here? Let's wait. There's no need to harvest kung hindi pa masyadong malaki. This one is not really... Oh, ay natanggal ko na.
Can I try them?
You want this one? Gustong mag-harvest.
Yes, bumpy at
Excited
the
mag-harvest
bump
eh.
bits. The bump tops.
Whoa, yay! Now, let's move on to the other side. Tingnan niyo po, kumikintab talaga ang fresh capsicum namin at napakadaming bunga pa rin. Kaya, consistently makaharvest tayo every day. Ngayon ay mag-harvest po tayo ng aming eggplant. Grabe, sobrang dami na po talaga ng bunga at yung iba, kailangan na talaga i-harvest dahil nalalata na yung iba, kinakain na po guys. So, tapos yung iba, sobrang oversized na. Whoa! That's a big one, eh? Oh, maybe it's not sharp. You wanna use this one?
Yeah.
As long as you be careful sa kamay mo. Gusto niya siya mag-harvest. Good job. Pupunuin niya ito.
Oh, this is a good size.
Yep. Ang langaw. Ito. Gusto niyang pupunuin itong. Go, Bester, para malagay natin sa freezer.
That will get big enough.
This is a nice big one.
It's a nice big one, Daddy said. Good job. Marami kaming i-preserve po na eggplant. Sayang naman po na hindi to makakain. Oh, look at that. That's a very big one, Sylvester. Show me. Ang laki. You know.
I did another one.
Very good quality. Napaka-fresh. Okay, go, Bester. Daming kagat ng lamok ang mukha mo.
It's not the one this end.
There's more big one at the back, Sylvester.
Yeah, there's more in here inside.
Yeah, look at that. Show to mommy. Show to mommy. Wow, that's a big one. Look at that.
Look.
Yan ang gusto niyang i-harvest. Yes, go. Struggling na siya, oh. Siya yung pinaka-excited mag-harvest. Mega harvesting kasi namin ngayon, eh. Be careful. That's it. Yeah, get the big one, Sylvester. Go for it. 2.
This is a bobby one.
Wow, show me.
Bobby.
Wow, that is a very big one. Look at that. Iba na yung shape. There's another big one, darling.
Yes, I do have.
Para ano kasi, kailangan na i-harvest. Mabigat na po sa katawan ng halaman. Ang sobrang dami.
Ground.
Is it? Honey, get the basket, honey. Get plenty. Wait, Daddy, get the basket now. Mapupuno na talaga yung basket. Is there's another big one?
I know there's a one we forgotten.
Where?
In here. The first one. It's hard to find in the back.
On the back.
There's a really big one down there.
There's a really big one here, Sylvester. You didn't see it. Over there. Look. Be careful. Na-stuck ka na dyan. More at the back. Tagal na to hindi na harvest ni David. And then yung puno, nagsasuffering na sa sobrang daming bunga. Oh, napakahaba to. Be careful lang tayo dahil very spiky. Sylvester, remember it's very spiky. Okay, I will help you. Just wait. Just wait. It's stuck. We can pull it. It is really stuck. Oh, lumaki na siya dito sa punuan. Nag-funny shape. I think pag ganito yung kulay, overripe na po ito. Pag ganito. Grabe yung size niya. Mga giant talong na ito. Na-atake na po siya. Yung, if it's a small one, just leave it, darling. Yes. Nag-sunburnt ito. Over, ano na to siya. Hindi na to siya magandang kainin. So, ito po. Good size po ito. Dito. Ano na yung iba. Ito, mga overrotten na to. Kailangan na siyang ikat. Maganda to siya. Kailangan lang mag-ingat dahil napaka-spiky. Di ko alam na ganito pala ka-spiky ang ano dito, eggplant. Grabe, look at that. Nakapuno na ng isang basket na talong. So guys, nakapuno na po tayo ng isang basket. Lagay po natin to dito. Yung iba, kailangan i-sort out. Kagaya po nito, hindi na po to maganda. Ito, hindi na to maganda. Ito rin po. And i-ano lang po namin ito. And mag-preserve din po tayo. So, dito pa po tayo nag-harvest. Sa kabila po ay napakadaming bunga rin po na talong. Kailangan na rin din po matanggal na yung bunga. Otherwise, mag-crowded na talaga dito. Hindi na natin makikita yung ibang halaman. Madami po tong bunga. Medyo nga lang medyo lang nag-bushy dito. Kaya mag-prune din tayo ng talong. Ayan, tinanggal ko na po dahil hindi na tayo makapag-access sa sobrang dami. Tinanggal na guys. Ganito na lang tayo mag-harvest. Pa-winter na din po, kaya matatapos na din to ang season. Para makapag-access tayo. Grabe, ang dami. Automatic na lang natin pahulugin sa sa basket. Hindi mo na makita, grabe yung dahon. Sobrang laki oh. Yes ko po, grabe. Sobrang daming gulay. Ito yung magandang quality, yung mahahaba. Lucky, hindi talaga siya masyadong huminog na talaga. Ito yung hindi maganda. Tingnan niyo po yung pinagkaiba. Ayan. David muna ang mag-harvesting guys pag continue. There we go. That's a lot there, honey. Have a look. There, honey. Look who's here. Chucky, who let you out? See Sylvester. It must be Tammy again. Oh, look at that. That's a big one, honey.
Yeah, lots hiding on the ground.
I bet. Ang daming nagtatago dito. Wow, look at that.
That one was been attacked.
Let's throw it away.
It's a huge one.
Look, the chooks.
They're very interested.
Investigating. Somebody investigating. Anong ginagawa namin?
Very happy chook noises.
Hey, honey, it's plenty over here.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's heaps over there.
Took me behind it.
Yeah, I know he's here.
I put him there. He was see. He's playing up there.
The big one's inside.
Oh, look at that. Maybe this one, honey. Oh, look at that.
There's a few big ones here too.
Yeah. No, over here, honey.
Here,
So wait, I will help you to lick.
I'll just shake them down a bit.
There. Don't cut my finger.
Mm.
Don't cut my finger. So there's a lot there, honey. Oh dear. Chucky. Oh, Buster, you're so naughty, huh? You let Timmy out again.
Big one here.
Honey, you gotta hold that one.
Yeah.
Sobrang daming bunga. Yung mga nagbend, tinataas ko yung mga nagbend. Kawawa naman itong talong namin. Sobrang dami dito sa baba. Honey, but look.
Yeah.
Goodness me,
They're
really
overtaking our strawberries.
nag-overtaking na sila sa aming strawberry. Naparating na sila dito.
Arrange it, honey, look.
Oh, it's so full now.
It can be arranged so it's not so full.
Just drop it in the ground, sir, the way, honey.
Okay.
You pick it up later. Para mas madali. Strawberry lang naman itong sa baba eh. You have to leave that plant para makita mo. See? Look on the bottom, honey. Look at
Yeah.
that. It's plenty. That one. That's one branches is straight away. There, honey. This one is. Let's have a look here.
And more big ones.
I think that one, sir. It's getting full our basket again. We have to move this one into the big box, honey.
Yeah, we'll put in the big box.
That's right. It's getting full. Hindi pa kami natapos pag-harvest. Puno na siya. Okay, bring that one, honey. Tatapusin talaga pag-harvest ni Dave. Marami pa po in the middle as well. Doon ho, tingnan niyo po. Sabi ko makaproduce po ng bunga. Sobrang daming talong. Napakalaki ng box po nito, guys. Just drop it there, honey, in the box.
Yeah.
I found one.
Find another more box, Sylvester.
I found one.
Yeah, can you find another more
You can
box?
put
This
them
is no
there.
good. This is no good. I throw that one away.
That is not
Tingnan
good.
niyo po yung box.
What is not
Very full.
Puno
You
na.
can put it in here.
Hi! Nilabas na naman po si Timmy. Parang ano na eh. Ginawa niya ng baby si Timmy. Shh, that's enough. Look. Look at the talong, Sylvester. Ito na po. Ganito kadami ang na-harvest po naming talong. How many kilo this one, honey? You reckon?
I'll have a guess. I'll pick it up. I reckon 16 kilos.
16?
Lot.
Whoa, it's a lot.
What is this
How about you, Timmy? Would you like to eat eggplant? I don't think so. At ito po yung chilies, i-harvest din po natin. Lahat na po dahil tingnan niyo po. Pag hindi na siya ma-harvest, nagde-dry. Nagde-dry na siya pero okay lang po dahil spicy pa rin yan. Tsaka ilagay lang po to sa freezer bag. Lagay niyo po sa freezer. It will last long. Lalo na pag winter, hindi nabubuhay ang sili. Unless meron kayong hothouse, yung parang clear na plastic na, ano ba yun, greenhouse ba yung hothouse yung tawag, para mainit palagi sa ilalim. So mag-harvest po tayo ng chili.
Tanggal na pati yung dahon. Yes, Sylvester, I'm here.
Dalawang klase kasi ito eh. Merong parang labuyo na chili dito na tinanim ko po. Ito yung pahaba. Okay pa po siya.
This is the biggest one.
Yeah, maybe. Can we harvest the green one, honey, or leave it?
The green ones are good. Addition, I think. The green.
Ang dami nito.
I got tangled in the
Tingnan
watermelon.
nyo, ang daming chili.
I got tangled in the watermelon.
Tunak sa itaas para makita itong mga chili.
I see lady beetle.
Ang daming hinog. Pag hindi mo kasi ito i-harvest, malalaglag lang. Kailangan namin to ng maraming freezer bag. Tingnan niyo po dito, ang dami.
No, this is the one we're hiding.
Be careful, ha? Sabi ko, ako na lang. Gustong-gusto niya talaga. Involved siya. Kasi
I don't know
we plant this one together eh. Involved din siya nung nagtanim kami nito.
what's on the inside.
Tingnan yung chili. Ang dami pa ditong hinog. Nagda-dry ng iba. Sayang naman po. Ito kadami yung na-harvest. Na-include na po yung green. Pero okay lang po. Kumakain naman po ako ng green. Ay, nag-harvest siya ng chili din po dito. Ibang variety po ito na chili. Gustong-gusto ko po ang chili na ito dahil hindi talaga siya super spicy. Sakto lang po yung lasa. So, ang daming chili na ma-harvest po natin ngayon. Be careful, Sebastian. Remember, this is very spicy. After matapos tayo, after we done harvesting, you gotta wash your hand, okay? Dahil sobrang spicy. It will hurt your eye.
I thought the water.
Are you throw the rotten one? That's okay.
I swallowed him so far.
Alam niyo po, okay lang naman i-harvest pag mga hinog na talaga.
I can
Ano, that's not rotten, darling.
I can see it.
No, that's okay.
Changing colour.
That's just changing color. Leave the green one, Sebastian. Only the red one, okay? Para hindi masayang. No, don't. Just leave that. Just leave that. That still need to be color red like this one. Okay? Para ma-inspired pa yung plants po na mag-produce po ng more chili. Ito, chili lang to lahat. Ito yung capsicum. Napakalaki. Hindi po to hindi po to masasayang. Lalagay ko talaga to sa bag po, preserve bag po para may stock up po ako ng chili. You finish? There's more color red at the back. Be careful to the plants. We have to be thankful to the plants and thankful to give us so many vegetable and chili and eggplant, yeah. And we are so lucky, aren't we?
I can get capsicum.
We don't need to buy this one from the supermarket. Is there more red? Tingnan niyo po dito. Ito po is capsicum po rin ito. Pero dwarf capsicum. Hindi ko po ito pipitasin. Pipitasin lang po namin ito talaga as we needed. Magtuturn din po ito ng red actually. Yung chili po ang priority po namin. Yeah, there's a lot. Ito po, ito talaga. Chili talaga ang priority na kailangan i-harvest. Dahil nagda-dry na. This is actually purple one, honey.
Yeah, that's
From purple, turned to red.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can
Look at that.
have purple too.
Yeah. Is this spicy, honey?
This is mild.
Mild lang pala ito. I haven't tried this one. Kasi nung pag-alis ko,
We can
namulaklak
harvest
pa
the
po ito.
purple ones too.
Okay. But maybe just the red one. Just
Yeah.
leave the purple one.
The purple
That's
one.
sort of green and
Mhm.
at the same time.
I can-
Mag-harvesting po tayo ng bitter melon, ampalaya. Yan. Hindi po tayo mag-harvest sobrang dami talaga dahil it will last naman ito for a long time sa punuan. Ito porang nag-turning yellow, honey.
Yeah, it's going to seed.
It's going to seed. So pag ganito na pala yung size niya, pa-seeds na siya agad. Pwede naman ito ilagay sa fridge. Yung malaki lang po ang harvest natin. Otherwise, mag-turning yellow siya. Ito po, tingnan niyo.
The big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. Oh, there's a big one at the back. It's in the ground. Let's go to the other side. Ito, sa ground na po to siya. Okay naman ito. I'm not sure kung mag-turning yellow na ito. There's already sign here. It might turn yellow. Kaya i-harvest na lang po natin. Yan. Yung malaki ang hahanapin natin. Kasi sayang po pag hinog na po siya. Tulit mo na po makita. Tingnan niyo po. Ito po, perfect po yung size. Ganyan po siya. Ito, makikita niyo po, pa-yellow na. Hindi pa siya gaano kalaki. Kaya hinarvest ko na din po yung iba. Punta po tayo doon sa kabila. Dito tayo sa kabila. Tingnan natin. Napakalipi. Hindi natin makita agad kung saan yung Ang palaya, nandito na nga sa ground sila nag-climbing. Dapat kasi, ay ano to sila i-guide muna. Pag nag-start na siya pabunga. Ito kasi yung style ko Tingnan niyo po. Dapat dyan siya mag-climb. Pero, I'm not sure kasi natanim namin ito, Freddy, ano na po, late na po. Parang palapit na din sa winter. So, we only have 1 month. Then,
2 months till winter.
2 months, mag-winter na po siya. Mamamatay po ito pag winter. Tingnan niyo po itong atin. So, mag-harvest po tayo ng parsley. Nilalagay po namin ito sa sinabaw. Lalo na pag magsabaw ng ng manok, isda, masarap ito. Napakabango. Tingnan niyo po, parang broccoli po siya. Green na green. 2 tanim lang to. Isn't that only 2 plants here, honey? Ganyan siya kabushi. Hey, Sebastian, panay ride bike tong isa.
Might be a bit small.
Small, only the big one. There is a lot, a small one. Hindi pa ready yung iba. I think this is enough pretty much.
Yeah.
Is there's a little bit Punta tayo sa kabila, guys. Grabe yung mega harvesting po natin for today's vlog. Nandito po tayo sa greenhouse para mag-harvest po ng zucchini. Go, get the big one, darling. Have a look this one, honey. Twisted it. Yeah. Don't destroy the plant. You want me to do it?
A big twist.
It's a big twist, darling. Good job. That's it. All done. Look at that. Sobrang laki. There's one. This one. Yeah, you're so strong. There's more there, darling. Over there. That one. You want me to get it or you can do it? Mommy's gonna get it. No, I'm here now, so I can do it. Yan po. 3, 3 yung na-harvest natin. Masarap po to ilagay sa sinabaw. Magsinabaw po kami ngayon. So yung mga chili, para hindi ma-squash, isiparit yung chili. Mag-harvesting po tayo ng silver bait dahil magluto po kami ngayon ng sinabaw na isda. Dahil meron po tayong zucchini, masarap po i-partner ang silver bait at zucchini together. Tapos capsicum, sili, ang daming na-harvest na gulay. Dito po tayo. Hindi lang sa manok ito ha, sa amin din. Oh, look at that. Big one. I think that's it. Kasi nabigyan na natin ng... Give this one to the chook, the steam. Give it to them. Bigyan po natin ng proper na mga dahon po talaga sa aming chooks. Kasi favorite talaga nila itong green The more green yung kinakain nila, mas dark yellow din po ang eggs nila. Ayan, madami na to. Meron ding kulay purple. Mag-mix po tayo ng kulay purple po. Diba? Yung lasa nito, marami kasing nagtatanong kung anong lasa. Parang lasang pichay lang po, but this is a lot stronger yung flavor po. Tester, there we go. Give more to the chooks. Tingnan nyo guys. Spread it, Sebastian. Not just in one area. So everybody can have silver bit. Yan. You happy? They're eating now?
Yeah.
Wow. Puno yung basket ng organic gulay po. Kailangan ko pa po ito sort out po guys. Yung hindi magaganda. Sayang. Pero magiging compost lang po ito. Ilalagay po namin dito. Come over here. Dito po. Dito po namin ito itatapon. Ito yung mga tinapon po namin na nag-breakdown na po. Tingnan niyo po, nag-breakdown. Especially po dito. Nag-breakdown na po talaga siya. Sa ilalim. Look at that, honey. It's turning soil
Yeah,
na.
turning to soil.
Look, nag-turn to soil. Ganyan po talaga kung may mga tinatapon kayo ng mga gulay, mga kahit ano na lang po na mag-breakdown po siya. Magiging compost po siya. At ganito po karami ang na-harvest po naming vegetable. Grabe! Sobrang daming talong at napakadaming ibang vegetable pa po. Sobrang swerte po talaga namin na meron po kaming sariling tanim na ma-harvest po talaga namin. At dito po magtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Bye! What we gonna do to our eggplant now, Han? Mag-preserve. Oh, that's a good idea, Sylvester. Yeah, business-minded si Sylvester. We have to sort out our, kailangan natin i-sort out yung hindi maganda. Sylvester, you gotta find this one. This one is no good. Yeah, here we go. Lagay na po natin. Where's the other chooks, honey? Oh, lucky chooks. Go home. Oh, you have so many customers. They're all waiting for you.